Hi, this is Dr. Reuben here, and I'm going to be one of the speakers at a Prime Vision conference later this year in June. I'm super excited to be part of this event, and I want to share with you my experience throughout these few years of opening a practice. You see, since the conception of Dental Boutique, I've always been asked the same questions all the time. How do we get more patients? How do we become more successful? How do we create a wow experience for the patients? I find that while these questions remain the same over the last 6 years, the answer that I give is always very different at different points of my career. And it will be the same for you as well. In this webinar, I'll be talking about many different things, from how I grew my practice in 2013 to a 10-chair practice today, content marketing in dentistry, designing the ideal patient journey, and understanding price and value. I urge all of you to sign up for the webinar if you haven't already done so, and I look forward to seeing all of you in June from the comfort of your home. Otherwise, take care and see you very soon.